The surface tension of water in contact with air is given as 0.0725 Newton per meter. The pressure outside the droplet of water of diameter 0.02 mm is atmospheric 10.32 Newton per centimeter square. Calculate the pressure within the droplet. You have to find out the pressure within the droplet. So what is given in this question? So surface tension that is equal to 0.0725 Newton per meter, diameter that is equal to 0.02 mm, that is equal to 0.02 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Atmospheric pressure that is given, that is 10.32 Newton per centimeter square. So you have to find out the pressure within the droplet of water. So for droplet we know that we know that delta P that is equal to 4 sigma by D. Okay, so from here 4 into what is the value of sigma, that is 0.0725, and what is the value of diameter, that is 0.02 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if you calculate this value will be, so 4 into 0.0725 divided by 0.02 into 0.001, so the value will be 14500 Newton per meter square. So 14500 divided by, if you convert it to Newton per centimeter square, so from here that is equal to 1.45 Newton per centimeter square. Now, so from here delta P that is equal to 1.45. So delta P that is equal to P minus P ATM that is equal to 1.45. So P equal to 1.45 plus P ATM. What is the atmospheric pressure? That is equal to 10.32. So 1.45 plus 10.32. So 1.45 plus 10.32. So that this is equal to 11.77 Newton per centimeter square. So the answer will be 11.77 Newton per centimeter square.